And there you go, once again, folks, that is Jumbo, our umbrella person to be the scientific name of Kakatua Alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, Miss Lee, you know, the reason of global warming is due to the pollution coming from our transportation. And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints. Using a, ready to buy folks, so we decided, ding, 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 ding. Bicycle ng Jumbo. Sakay. Pag-iakso ka, baby boy. Sikat yung first piece of ang ayun lang eh. Para lang, good boy Jumbo, not to the kids out there. Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because we also have a scooter. Ay, kung kaya mong bike, kaya mong mag-scooter ka sa Jumbo sa nagulit. Pwadyak naman o dahan-dahan lang ha. Kami lang dyan sa unahan. Whoops! Barat lang. Good boy, Jumbo. You see guys, even our animals help solve our mother nature. You can also help with use, reuse, recycle, and repurpose and some alternative ways for your transportation. That's all for Jumbo folks. Palakpakan din natin sila. The bill na pamihino boy. Atin na siya guys. There you go. At syempre, hindi dyan magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. There you go. Once again, folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Horn Bill with the scientific name of Buceros Mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their views or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata guys. Girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay na ngayong mahapon, magpapakitang-kita sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and one more energy. 1, 2, 3, and okay na ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Dexter, Kuya Gmar. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw ng folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and fly. What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in a while, you are so very lucky because they're actually in the season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming second na catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana ko talaga po, siguro ka sa ating mga kalaw may forever, no? Diba sa mga single ladies out there, ha? Kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, no? So alam na natin, nandito lang ang nandito lang ang pwede din sa mga trainers, folks. Medyo na kayo, so tigil ko makita kids na bit ang ating mga kalaw na folks. Prepare your copy. 1, 2, 3, and fly! And that is our great hornbill, or also known as the kalaw. The alarm clock of the rainforest with a daily noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw, guys. A round of applause, please. Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Mini? Sino nagsabi ng po? Hindi mo si Mini, ha? Pero klaseng hayop si Mini? Bear. Okay, last question. What kind of our Palawan bear cats? Once again, folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. We designed to the name of Artipis Pinto, locally known as Pinto. Guys, so folks, did you know that their tail can act as a griffin Meaning is prehensile nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanyang tingaw. Same sa mga monkey, di ba? Pakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Alright, now Teddy, are you ready to down the boy? Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na. Wait lang folks, ayan na. Yeah, there you go. That is prehensile tail in action po. We're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a brush. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. Ang good na good mo talaga Teddy boy. Alright folks, may direct attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy na si Uno. Once again folks, that is Uno, our Palawan, our other Palawan Berkat. Now guys, Palawan Berkat are endemic here in the Philippines. Yung endemic folks, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita, particularly sa Palawan. And folks, the reason that there is very in their name is because they are capable of standing up using these two highlights. At ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. Okay na Uno? Basic na yan sa kanya guys. Uno, up. Tuloy lang natin folks. Ayun na si Miss Ed. There you go. And that is two highlights in action po. Thank you so much Uno. Folks, back up pala po Palawan Bearcat. Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan po. Amoy na nilang pupo guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. And guys, they are omnivores. So kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon po yung Michael, ang bigyan mo kayo ng kanilang kuya. Magkita ko sa kanila kuya. Ano yun folks? Saging or banana, which is good. Once again, omnivores sila ha. May tanong ulit ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or karne? Carnivore. So what herbs, grasses, at karne? Omnivores. Okay, galing nga. Okay, ito na ba? Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Wait lang, sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? Hindi fruit salad guys ha, kasi kung nakakarang taas kamay. Ginulaan siya ate? Ha? Come here, okay, come here, it's out the audience. Suturuan natin sila, come here ate. Alright, sige na, come here. Alright. Okay, eto na. Ayan. Alright, now ate, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Ayan, palagpakan po natin si ate guys. The right answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yon? Frugivore ha? Lalo na sa isip nyo eh. Okay, once again, frugivore. Okay, alright now, perfect. Teddy is back home na. Siyempre, Uno as well. Kuya Michael. Okay, no, okay, wait lang natin si Uno muna guys ha. Okay, medyo mahimik talaga po si Uno folks. Okay, now, bago tayo mag-proceed folks, again, once again, Piolo at wait. Piolo. Dali. Familiar ko sa wait lang, may kamukha ko siya guys. Money. Wala ko ba kayo? May problema ba? Yes, I did.
Pakayulot. May pakulo ano? May pakulo.
Hindi kami nabuha ng kuya. Okay. Ha? Sige. Folks, let's go to the people once again. We are still working with wild animals now. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behaviors. Sabi kasi natin mga trainers, folks, wala daw po si Piolo at si Daniel sa likuran at nakatakas daw po. Ay, may ganito. Magpapawis na natin mga kuya.
Ay, may mga nakakalat oh.
Pero sabi nila guys, nandito na lang po sa ating harapan, maybe check under your seats na lang again. Tulungan kami ng namin mga halipos sa kapagalitan po kami. Nandiyan mga kuya, wait lang natin guys ha. Tawagin ang floor naman nila po sa akin. Daniel. Bye guys. Dito ang touch ang mga po. Yung mga Daniel. So, kayo mo mag-alala. Huwag kayong matakot guys.
May kanina pa doon ano.
Sanay na po yan sa inyo. Okay? Sa mga bisita, hindi mo rin kapag
Hindi ko nakakalap sa akin yung camera.
It's your time para hawakan ang ating mga amas dyan, girls. Again, sanay
Nandun sa ilalim.
Okay. Ayun si Kuya Chima natin, ha? And guys, be gentle lang po, ha? Folks, mag-ingat. Konting paalala lang po. Once again po, konting paalala lang. Pwede nyo pong hawakan ang ating mga ahas. Huwag lang po ang ating
Ay,
mga
marami.
fingers.
May nakakalat. Ayun oh, may nakakalat sa mga upuan.
Ayun natin si Kuya Martin, guys. Good sa yan, ha? Exactly 5:15. And we have partners na po sa Trigo.
May nakakalat sa upuan.
Wantawan area. But we guys, give to yung coordinates, ha? Sa Wantawan area po. For directions, just head on po sa exit and follow the sounds.
So, hindi rin nila napansin na.
Okay, ayun si Kuya Manny. Kuya Manny.
Kung meron naman na sa mga kutsaba na nakabag.
Thank you so much mga Kuya for finding Piola at Daniel. Alright. Now guys, before we go to Daniel,
Ikot na siya. Tara,
this
samahan ko.
afternoon I need to